Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. So today we're making some super quick and easy air fried boneless wings. So I'm starting off with two plastic Ziploc bags. Now this is to help with the cleanup. It's easier to me. You can use bowls or plates, whatever you want to use. So I'm seasoning my chicken now. I just diced my chicken up into big, thick cube slices. And I'm seasoning with a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper to taste, some chili powder, and also I'm using Sazón just for the color. It is optional, but it does add some good flavor as well. But season to your liking. This is just the way that I do it. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken to the flour. I'm just gonna dump everything in. Like I said, this is a super quick and easy recipe. It's made to be easy. So I'm gonna dump all my chicken in my flour, close out, take all the air out, close it, shake it up really, really well. Push it in a little bit to make sure that flour sticks, and then I'll get started with my egg batter. So I'm using 1 egg, a little bit of heavy cream. You can use milk or half and half. I'm whisking that. You can season that as well, but I just wanted that to keep that coat of flour on. Shaking off the excess flour, placing them in a foil pan so I can go ahead and start. Now, here we're gonna take each piece of chicken, roll it around the egg batter, and put it in the flour. And I do about half of these, shake it up really well, push it in just a little bit to make sure that flour coating is sticking on good. I'm gonna spray my air fryer. This is definitely a step you don't want to miss. When you're placing your chicken in your air fryer, make sure you leave a little bit of space between your chicken. You might have to cook in batches just in case. Depends how big your air fryer is. When they're all in there, I'm gonna spray a little bit and close that. I have it set on 380. I'm gonna do about, I actually end up doing 20 minutes, not 25. So just remember that 20 minutes, 380. Flip in between. So halfway through on 10 minutes, you're gonna flip it. And if you want them more crispy, or whenever you're satisfied, you can leave them in for like 25 minutes. And if you decide to make this, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your family, your mama, your auntie, your brother, everybody. Look how juicy and crispy that is. Super easy, y'all.